Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel Expat and Filipina and Philippines Life. So I am here again in the kitchen. Now I'm going to make our snack for today. So I'm gonna make a mango float, my own homemade mango float. So here are the ingredients that we need in making mango float. So first we need mangoes, ripe mangoes. What I did for this one, I scrape it, but if you don't have scraper, you just cut it in a very small pieces. And this is about 2 to 3 kilos of mango. Or if you like, much better if there is a lot more mangoes in this one. And I have here the crackers, the chocolate flavor, and also the cream. You need a cream in this one, and a condensed milk. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to mix the condensed milk and the cream. So you can have a ratio of 1:1. Or if you make a lot of mango float, so you can make 2:2. Or it's up to you. So we're gonna put first the... Takes time, hon. I cannot pull up. Okay, now since we put the condensed milk on the bowl, we're gonna add also the cream. So I just make 1:1 ratio because I'm gonna make just enough for both of us. Okay, and then you're gonna stir them well. So we're gonna stir them so that they will mix together. Keep stirring it until they are mixed well, or they are mixed thoroughly. Okay. Since now we already mixing the condensed and the cream, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a Tupperware or a jar. Okay, so we're gonna put this one here since we have this as a dressing. And then, so this will be where I'm going to file up the cracker, the dressing with the mangoes. So next, I'm going to add this mangoes on the bowl. Okay, so we're going to add all of this, and I left some for my last topping on the top. Okay, so what we're going to do is just mix them together with the condensed milk, cream, and the mangoes. Since I already mixed them well, I'm going to prepare the jar or the Tupperware where I'm going to pile up the biscuit and the dressing. So this is the crackers, the chocolate flavor. pull this out in the back. Put it on the plate. So easy to pile up. Okay, now we're gonna pile up the crackers. Since Scott bought this one the other day, the mangoes and the things that I needed to make this mango float, so we can have something for our snacks. I remember every time during there is a celebration, my brother and sister always requested me to make like this, like during birthdays. And what we're going to do now that we pile first the first layer, we're going to add the mixture, the mangoes mixtures on the top or on the top of this layer. So we just fill it up, all of it. Okay, next we file it again. We just keep filing it up, arranging the biscuit layer to layer. It's nice to make this one because we don't need to cook this in the oven. Okay, we're going to add now again the mangoes mixture on the top of the biscuit. In each layer, you add this until it will be all done. I like it to do 1:1, like 1 condensed milk and 1 cream, so that it is not so sweet. Just keep adding it. Keep piling it up every layer until the Tupperware is all full and it will be finished. And then after the next layer, you add it again, the mixture on the top. I really like it when there's a lot of mangoes in this one. It tastes better. Okay, next, pile it up again, the biscuits on the top, the crackers. I only make this one mostly during special occasions. But like this time, I was thinking, what if we're gonna make mango float for our snacks? So, I have 2 packs of chocolate crackers in this one. Because I know one is not enough. You can use, for replacement of mangoes, you can use strawberry or banana or any kind of fruits you like. Okay, we're gonna add again on the top. It's really hot today. It's almost there. We just fill it up all the way. Okay, now this is our last layer. Since our mixtures is almost gone. Okay. Now, since this is our final layer, so we're going to add all of these mixtures with the condensed milk and the Nestle cream and mango on the top. Then, spread it up. We're gonna spread it. And I'm going to add my final topping since I left some more mangoes on the other bowl for toppings, for final toppings. I really like it when there's a lot of mangoes. Then we're gonna spread it up all the way. Okay. Okay. So guys, here is our mango float. So this is my homemade mango float. Just only one Tupperware I make. But I really like it because there's a lot of mangoes in this one. So after this, we're going to put this inside the refrigerator to cool it up. Then after for how many hours, you can eat it as a snack. So this is guys. So thanks for viewing our channel. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell for more notifications of our videos.